Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add animations in the CapCut app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the CapCut app. And here in the CapCut app it opens up in the home menu, where we have to select a project that we've already started. Let's say it's this one. Here, to add an animation, we have to select a clip that we want to add an animation to. Here, after we select the clip, in the bottom bar there is the animation button. We tap on this, and then we can select an animation to be in the beginning of this clip. If we tap on the in section, to be at the end of the clip, or to be a combination of the two and have an intro effect and an outro effect to the clip. Here you can select anything, and yeah. After you selected the animation that you want, you just tap on OK, and then it's going to be saved. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!